Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Acorns Invest account, fast access step by step clearly. To begin logging into your Acorns Invest account, open the Acorns app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store first. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the welcome screen, look for the login option. Select login to proceed to the next screen. Here, you will see fields prompting you for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Acorns account. Next, type in your password in the corresponding field. Be sure to check for any typographical errors. If you have forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once you've entered your email and password, tap the Login button. Wait a moment while the app processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of an error, check the messages displayed for guidance. If you continue to experience issues, consider resetting your password or contacting support. After successfully logging in, you can now easily access your investments and account features. Enjoy exploring your Acorns Invest account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.